Hey guys, it's Jaron from Jaron Flick Outdoors, and today we are back again. But today it is no longer ice on the lake, and we will be doing some June walleye fishing. But today I'm doing some dock fishing. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. And today my starting lure of choice will be a Berkeley underspin with a little soft plastic on there. And yeah, I'll just be pitching this out here. And my casting zone's about 10 to 15 feet of water. I'm casting that way. So yeah, let's get started. Fish on, boys. Just a little fella though. Yeah, got him on that underspin. Just a little fella. Surprised he ate something that big. There we go again. Oh, he got off. As you guys can probably see, I have made a lure change. Just to this little fella right here. And I also got a partner with me. My puppy Oliver. Come join me on my fishing excursion. There's another one. I think this one's even smaller. I really should probably size up in my hook. I just got this little grub on, but if I size up in hooks, might not catch as many. So whatever's working's working, I guess. I'll just keep doing it. Feels a little better, doesn't seem too small. Oh, and it's a pike, and he broke me off. Damn it. That was just a little... Well, that was kind of a disaster. So, my dog Oliver that was out here fishing with me, he was on the end of the dock, and he decided he would see what it'd be like to swim. So, I kind of had to go in and grab him. And now he's wet, so you probably won't see much of him for a little bit. He is completely okay, though. He just fell in. Since that pike broke me off, I just tied on another one of these little grubs like I had on before. This one's a little bigger of a presentation, though, to see if I can steer away all those little fellers and get more big fish. Oh my God. I was just bringing my hook up and a pike just snapped me off again. He jumped out of the water and grabbed it. I don't know how good you guys can see it on the camera, but that was kind of crazy. Yeah, it was a bigger pike, probably around the 30-inch mark. Wow, that's the first time that's happened to me, and he broke me off, of course. Yeah, I went a little smaller again. Now to this just little grub again I went to. In just a little different color. So yeah, that's what I'll be throwing now. There's a fish. Another little walleye. They are not too big, that's for sure. First cast with the hook, the new lure though. And it is nothing too big. Yeah, just another one of those little fellers. hooked up again. There we go. A walleye this time, which is nice, and it's a little bigger than the last ones. There we go. Another decent wolfer. Just another little feller, not too big. A little smaller than the last one. Man, they're just hammering. Hitting it hard too, this little grub. Yeah. Oh, really nice little fish. Nice little feller. Really nice colors on this guy. There we go. Another decent wolfer. Just another little feller, not too big. A little smaller than the last one. Man, they're just hammering. Hitting it hard too, this little grub. Yeah. Oh, really nice little fish. Nice little feller. Really nice colors on this guy. We'll let him go. What's that, 6 fish today? I think so, something like that. Good night. There's a fish. That will probably be a pike. Or a big walleye. It is a pike. As I guessed. Not a very big one either. Oh. I do not feel like touching this little bugger, so yeah.